Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download BRD Bitcoin wallet application on your Android phone. So let's dive into the video right away. Open your Play Store to begin. In the search box, type in BRD Bitcoin wallet and search. Once you find this application in the search result, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your Android phone, which might take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. So once you've downloaded and installed the application, all you need to do now is to tap on the open button and open the BRD Bitcoin wallet app. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.